This place right here in the middle of these woods, I call it my happy place. And over the last 3 days, I hosted my first ever men's retreat called the Black Sheep Club, where 10 men from around the country flew in, stayed at my house, lived my life, basically. We played around on the lake, we did a full high rock simulation, we ate great food, and we fellowshipped, and we spent a lot of time together. And one of the things I decided to do kind of last minute was I hired a videographer. And if you know me, if you followed my content for any bit of time, if you've seen more than 5 of my videos, you know that I typically film everything myself. I have my camera right here, and I just film what it is that I'm either reviewing, what it is that I'm doing, and I need your help because I know I posted a video last week that said I'm done scripting. I wanted to do more videos like this where it's real, it's raw, it's conversational, it's talking to my friends. Like, I consider you my friend. And maybe we haven't met in real life yet, but that doesn't mean we're not going to. I would love to. Matter of fact, after my retreat, I felt completely confirmed that it's something I should do more often. So my wife's down for it too. She loved it. She saw the transformations. She saw what happened, and my kids did too. So I think we're gonna put a couple more dates on the books. So I need your help. If you want to be a part of the Black Sheep Club, if you want to come to one of these retreats at my house, just let me know in the comments. I'd love to connect with you off comments, offline, in real life, maybe through the phone, maybe a phone call. And you know what? I'm gonna do something I've never seen a YouTuber do. Take out a pen or your phone right now and take down this number. It's my cell phone. 407-463-4319. I mean, shoot, I've had the same cell phone number since middle school. So the heck, if you guys put it on a bathroom stall, what does it matter, right? And plus, if you follow me on Instagram, you can call me anyway. Like, there is no privacy. I feel like people hide their phone numbers like it's some secret. You're like in inner circles, have your cell phone number. I think you can Google anyone's cell phone number. Anyway, that's my cell phone number. Text me if you want to be a part of the next Black Sheep Club. Shoot me a text, send me your name, and I'll put you on my closed group network that actually will get the information when the next retreat comes out. So it was a lot of fun. We had a blast. But I hired a videographer, and back to like the whole point of this video. I hired a videographer, and he was not cheap. Good videographers aren't. And I've seen some of the footage from the retreat, and I'm mind blown because, like, to me, it's like a cinematic masterpiece. It's like watching a movie. It's something that I was there, but I'm excited to rewatch. So I talked to him about potentially becoming my full-time videographer and like having him shoot for my reviews and shoot for these types of videos, vlogs and stuff, you know, just to have like an elevated experience. If you're going to spend time watching a video, obviously the information I share hopefully has some value. The products that I'm reviewing or talking about, I hope there's some value, or it prevents you from making a big mistake, financial mistake. I think the content that I'm putting out is helpful to some, but I would love to elevate the experience. So it would be a massive investment from my part, a very scary investment, but would it make a difference? Would hiring a videographer that makes cinematic videos like these, would it change your experience? Would it allow my videos to be more shareable? You know, part of growing on YouTube is getting videos shared. If you're making great content and someone watches the whole thing, that's awesome. But if they watch that whole thing, like it, that's awesome. But if they watch it, like it, and comment something really nice, that's even more awesome. But if they like it, if they watch it, like it, comment, and then share it, that's like the mecca of algorithm boosts. That's how YouTube says, okay, this guy's videos aren't horrible, we'll share them with more people. And I have noticed lately that some of my metrics have gone down, and that's normal. I'm not upset about that. I get that. And I just want to make sure that I'm giving my viewers, you, a great experience. If you're gonna spend time watching my videos, I want you to leave with value. I want you to leave the video pleased, like, wow, I got something out of that. I got good information, it was a pleasing experience. And I think having a videographer who can capture these moments where it's not just my camera sitting on a tripod or me holding my phone, I think that would be great. But that's like my opinion, and I just wanna know what your opinion is. So please help me by letting me know in the comments what your thoughts are. And be honest, like, do you prefer to watch videos that are more well produced? Not scripted, but just well produced. I think that information would be very beneficial for me. I would appreciate that. That would be super cool. And hey, now you have my cell phone number, so shoot me a text. Please don't text me in the middle of the night. That's the only thing I ask. Like, I have a family. My phone goes on do not disturb mode at 8 p.m. anyway, so like I won't see it until the next morning. But yeah, truthfully, like if you want to be a friend, I want to be a friend too. You know, this world is very digital. This Instagram, Snapchat, all these other social medias, like they keep us digital. They kind of remove the in real life, the person aspect, and I want more of that. So if you're ever coming through Tampa, let me know, reach out to me. I'd love to put together a group workout at my house and have you come and get a workout in together. It'll be brutal, so be ready. But have a great workout together, maybe play around on the lake, get a swim in. A friend of mine's challenging me to sign up for an Ironman, so maybe we'll do some Ironman training. Or just have conversations, because at the end of the day, like, that's what it's all about, right? So I appreciate you guys. And yeah, let me know what your thoughts are. Shoot me a text. I'll see you guys soon. Much love. God bless.